Hey there, folks. Today I've got some explosive news coming out of Zimbabwe, so buckle up because this one's a wild ride. Picture this. President Emerson Mnangagwa, Zimbabwe's head honcho, is under the spotlight yet again. This time it's not about politics or public speeches, but something a bit more personal. A multi-million-dollar mansion right in the heart of Harare's swanky Helensville neighborhood. Yeah, you heard that right. The Zimbabwe Republic Police have spilled the beans on this secret construction project. And it's not just any mansion, we're talking about a 25,000 square meter property. That's like several football fields put together. And who's behind this grand design? None other than the Chinese firm Zim Nantong Construction. Sneaky, right? Now here's where it gets even juicier. This secret mansion has been under wraps for about 5 years, but it all came to light thanks to a bunch of suspected thieves. Yeah, you heard that correctly. Some alleged burglars tried to break in and the police fired warning shots, causing this whole thing to unravel. But why is this such a big deal? Well, Mnangagwa is already considered Zimbabwe's richest man, and his wealth isn't exactly from winning the lottery. Reports suggest he's been raking in the cash through some pretty shady mining operations, not just in Zimbabwe but also in the Democratic Republic of Congo, and he's not flying solo on this one. It's alleged that he's been collaborating with the military to pull this off. The accusations don't stop there. Oh no. Mnangagwa's critics claim he's neck-deep in corruption. One of the most jaw-dropping allegations is that he stole a whopping $15 billion in diamond revenue. You know what they say, diamonds are forever, and apparently so are these accusations. So, what did he allegedly do with all that cash? Funded the 2017 coup that solidified his grip on power. That's one way to make a dramatic entrance, huh? This story is still developing, and it's clear there's a lot more to uncover. But, one thing's for sure, Mnangagwa's secret mansion has thrust him into the spotlight once again, and not in a good way. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today. If you found this as shocking as I did, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening stories. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.